and I am the director of the DeVoe Moore Center. We are a public policy think tank in the College of Social Sciences and Public Policy at Florida State University in Tallahassee. Today I want to talk about our internship program. This is an incredible professional development opportunity, and our interns are embedded in the very business model of the DeVoe Moore Center. The center is a think tank, and it's a working think tank, which means we are producing research and policy analysis that is intended to go to elected officials at the state and local level, as well as general citizens. We could not produce the volume of the work we do or have the depth of the insight that we have without our students working as research and interns and other capacities in the center. In general, we have three different divisions. One is the Policy Research Division, which you might expect, is that these are the students that are actively working on figuring out ways to design policy, analyze the impacts of public policy on the state economy and on entrepreneurs and others, as well as thinking about how new research and new data that can be brought to bear on some of these issues. And we cover a wide variety of issues. So we do government transparency, accountability. We also do a lot of work on entrepreneurship and regulation. And all of the policy interns are in some way connected with that. A second division is our data analytics division. This is a team of 2 students, anywhere from 7 to 10 of them, working with an outside vendor to maintain a public sector transparency website called floridaopengov.org. This website tracks city and county spending and revenue trends throughout the state of Florida. And this needs to be updated every year. And not only that, this team is actively looking at these platforms in terms of determining whether they're the best platforms or not. And so the students working in the data analytics group are able to learn lots of different skills in terms of how to maintain databases, how to populate data, clean data, code, as well as think about the interface between customers and the data that's being produced as part of this floridaopengov.org platform. A third group is our editorial and outreach group, and this is an incredibly important opportunity for a lot of different reasons. One is that these are the students that are actively engaged in trying to help us communicate these ideas and our research to the general audience. They're the ones that write and design our newsletters, they actually format and lay out our policy studies, and they also are actively engaged in developing media campaigns for our social media platforms, including LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and with any luck, hopefully YouTube in the not too distant future. And just to conclude, I want to emphasize that our students that graduate from our program do very well in the job market. And there are a couple of reasons for that. One is we help you develop research and analytical skills. 2, we help you develop writing skills so you can communicate what you are learning to people in language that they can understand. And 3rd, what we're able to do is help you develop your oral presentation skills. Those are incredibly important in today's work environment. A 4th attribute of our program is that we rely heavily on teams. So you'll learn how to get the most out of the team, how to contribute to the team, how to make sure your ideas are at the table as part of the discussion of the research that you're doing and how you can advance that for the team as well as the center. We are really proud of this program. We think it really helps link the professional world to the academic and student experience at Florida State University. If you're interested in interning for us, certainly reach out to us as soon as you can, and we'll sit down and talk to you to see about what kind of role might actually fit in the DeVoe Moore Center.